Now, talking about voter apathy, I see where two of the smaller third, fourth parties, you want to call them? Yeah? I don't know if they qualify to be third or fourth parties, but the Jamaica First Movement, JFM, and the Jamaica Progressive Party, JPP, say they're joining forces in what they describe as a historic move to disrupt decades of political deadlock and revive voter engagement. The JPP, having satisfied the requirements of the Representation of the People Act, ROPA, was named the country's fourth registered party in 2020. Oh, can't remember them though. They went quiet after 2020. It's also one of the entities expected to contest the upcoming election. And then there is the Jamaica First movement by well-known clergyman, the Reverend Al Miller, that was launched earlier this month. According to Reverend Miller, the JFM is being positioned as a vehicle for national unity and would only serve for a single 5-year term if successful in forming a government.